I know you're gonna love this. I know you're gonna love it. Get on out of there. Look at this. The first thing that you're gonna need is flour. Now I'm using Spelt flour, and this is the Bob Red's Mill. I love their products. So this is 1 cup. I'm gonna be using 1 3/4 cups of flour, and I'm using my Himalayan salt, just a pinch, not too much. So you can use whatever milk that you want. I'm using the Almond Breeze. Okay, so another cup of milk. That's exactly the consistency that I'm looking for. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of my maple syrup, a pinch of nutmegs. So just go ahead and use your whisk. Okay, so I've been preheating my pan. Okay guys, so these are my French crepes, and this is what it looks like. And we're gonna make a small little dessert out of this. Okay, so I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I ate about 2 already, and I'm gonna show you how to assemble this and make a delicious dessert. So we're making a French crepe dessert. What I'm gonna do with this small little tower, now you can make 6 more if you want and make it big, but you know, we're not gonna go crazy. All right, so this is our crepes. It's all done, okay? And what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna make a delicious French crepe dessert. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator to cool, because right now it's very hot still. And let's go ahead and make our topping. Here I have a 1/2 can of coconut milk, and what I did was I put it in the fridge overnight, or you can put it in the freezer overnight, freeze it, and then it looks just like that, creamy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's very hard and creamy, and that's what we're going for. I am going to add a 1/2 cup. You don't need a half, but I do have a 1/2 cup. I'm not gonna add the entire thing. I'm gonna use probably like 3/4 cup of the powdered sugar. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix this together. Wait, what we don't want to happen is, you know, when it goes all crazy all over the place. I'm not looking for that, so I'm just gonna kind of like mix a little bit together like that. This is to get our cream, and you could also add a little bit of vanilla extract. So it looks like. I don't want to add all the powdered sugar in all together because it's going to be all over the place. You know. Alright. So, mix it all together. Then I'm going to use my blender, by the way. I just don't want it to, like, you know. I want to cream everything together. I want it to be nice and creamy. This delicious French vanilla crepe dessert is so yummy. So here's my crepes, and these crepes been in the refrigerator nice and cool. You guys have to make sure that your crepes are not hot. Mine are very cooled. I put them in the refrigerator once I made them, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. just go ahead and cut ourselves a little slice of this dessert. No, you're gonna love this. I know you're gonna love it. Get on out of there. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Say what? Maxine's Corner. You have done it again. Let's go ahead and taste this deliciousness. Woo! Crepe dessert. What? Look at that. And the coconut filling on the inside. Woo! Oh my God. My people, this is delicious. You're gonna love it. You're gonna absolutely love this dessert. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And what? Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time in another video.